Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. So, our brother have a strong message to pass out to all Indigo. Please, you have to listen to him because he makes too much sense. Listen to him, and I'll be right back.
Hello everyone, my name is Lord Nkendren. In case you're hearing noise on the background, it's because I'm at work. Alright? I'm at work. That's why you can hear some noise on the background. Just bear with me. But I'm making this broadcast as the Spirit leads. In case I'm not audible enough, alright, you can tell me, you can let me know so I can be louder, okay? I just want to address Lisa NJ Kano to guide her utterances against the freedom fighters henceforth, alright? Before the concluded selection, someone sent me her video where she lambasted our ESN, Eastern Security Network, calling them criminals, calling them kidnappers, calling them killers of their own people. And she also turned around and said that those people who calls for boycott of this concluded presidential selection who lives abroad are jobless people. Alright? Probably the person sent me this voice note to let me know, since that I am one of those who are calling for the boycott of the selection, maybe I am one of those jobless people. You can see, I am not jobless. I am at work right now, and this is the machine I am operate. Okay, yeah, I operate this machine you are seeing here. I operate this machine you are seeing here. Okay, yeah. So I am not jobless, and I can assure you, hundreds of thousands of us who told you not to waste your time in voting are not jobless either. All right? So, right now, I can assure you that where I work, I have what they call life contracts. You know what that life contract means? You can work as long as you want until you say you're not going to work anymore. Now you go quit by yourself. Now you go resign by yourself, or now you go or you work till your retirement age. Do you understand me? That is life contract. And before you have this life contract, you work to a certain period of time to be able to qualify to have a life contract. If you are not qualified, the company will not give you life contract, and at the end of the period of maybe 6 months or 1 year contract, they can terminate your contract and tell you to go. You are not qualified. So for you to have life contracts in a company after a period of time that you have worked temporarily, that means you are qualified to do that job, right? So I am not a jobless man, all right? And if there are jobless people, those who are not working here in Europe, they are better than those working in Nigeria. I mean, look at the minimum wage of those working in Nigeria. How much is their minimum wage? The minimum wage of average civil servant in Nigeria today per month is a wages of someone who is working per day, I can assure you, the money I earn per day, the money I earn per day here at work is higher than minimum wage of average civil servants in Nigeria. So I can assure you that even those who are not working, they are being taken care of by the government. They are better, 100% better than those who are working in Nigeria. Talk more of those who are not working in Nigeria. They are dead, living dead. Do you understand me? That is that by the way. You see, Lisa NJ Kano. The last time I checked your page, you have not said anything. You have not said anything after the selection. After the selection on Saturday, you have not said anything. You are maybe you are in coma right now, or you are confused of what you witnessed. I want to tell you this: most of us who are living abroad are seeing things than most of you living in Nigeria. We living abroad here, we see things that you cannot see. As long as you live in Nigeria, we living abroad, we see things. We foresee things that will happen when it has not even happened. You that living in Nigeria cannot even see it. You know why? Because you are living in darkness. A country where there is no light, 24 hours electricity or power supply, that country is blind. We living abroad, we have 24 hours lights. We have internet, we have data on our phone, and we have Wi-Fi at home. That means if we leave our house and go out, we are connected to the world. If we are at home, we are connected also to the world. We are 24 hours connected as long as internet is concerned. What about those living in Nigeria? Do they have data? No. Most of you are living like you have data. You check your message. After checking your message, you off the data. Lisa, you called Eastern Security Network kidnappers, right? Killers of their own people. I want to assure you, this Eastern Security Network are not kidnappers. They are not killers of their own people. These people has made it possible for our farmers to go to work, to go to farm. These people has made it possible for our farmers to go to farm without being fear of kidnapped or killed. Right? Our farmers are not complaining of their crops or farm produce destroyed by Fulani herdsmen, cows. They are not complaining anymore. Those who made it possible are the Eastern Security Network. And you have the temerity to call them kidnappers. You have the audacity to call the freedom fighters criminals, kidnappers. Lisa, this election has shocked you to your bone marrow that you cannot talk again. Right? We knew that Nigeria problem is irredeemable. It cannot be redeemed by anyone. Not Peter Obi, not anybody, not Joe Biden. Bring 10 Joe Biden to rule Nigeria, they cannot redeem Nigeria, because Nigeria corruption has eaten down. It's like a cancer. It is in the body. It is in the system. That is why most of us call for people to sit at home, not to waste their time. People are crying today because of what they saw, what they witnessed at the polling units. People got injured, people got beaten, slapped, and all that because of selection. Lisa NJ Kano, I am directly addressing this video to you for you to guide your utterance or utterances henceforth. All right? Guide their utterance or utterances. Mind what you are going to say against the freedom fighters henceforth. We are the freedom fighters. We are telling the world that we are not Nigerians, and we can never be. This election has proven it. This selection has proven it. Where Nigerian youth came and votes for the first time ever in history, and their voters and their votes were not counted. I am addressing you from my working place. All right? Therefore, you have to understand that you, as an Igbo man, or Igbo people, we are not wanted in Nigeria. If not, this election shouldn't be dragged by the Igbos. It should be like, okay, since the Hausas has been ruling, the North has been ruling, the West has ruled, South has produced President Jonathan, it is the turn of the Southeast to produce presidents, right? And Southeast are Igbo people. This is it should not be, that should never be a contest in the first place. This should be like, okay, give it to them, it is their turn. Okay, since democracy is all about by number, the whole Nigeria, the North, the East, the West, the South voted for Peter Obi, who is an Igbo man. Why did they rig the election and hand it over to Yoruba man? Is it not clear that you are not wanted in Nigeria? Is it not clear as an Igbo man, as a South man, that you are not wanted in Nigeria? We are telling you today to come together as one. Let us vacate. Let us leave Nigeria in peace. If not, Nigeria will happen to you. Serve Nigeria and come back in shame. Serve Nigeria and come back in shame. About months ago, back in 2022, I wrote a post for Peter Obi. I tagged him. I said, at the end of this journey, you will know that Nigeria is not for you. That was 2020. I think around August, September or so, I made a post for Peter Obi. I tagged Peter Obi. I said, at the end of this journey, you will know that Nigeria is not for you. What is happening today? They have shown him that Nigeria is not for you. So all the obedience, you have cast your votes, despite we warned you not to go out there to vote. You have go there and participated in the selection, which is your fundamental rights, right? But you can see the height of disenfranchisement that happened in the selection. You can see it. Nigeria is irredeemable. Nobody can redeem Nigeria. Even if Peter Obi had won, or Peter Obi had won the election, let me tell you, after 8 years, another government will come and destroy everything that Peter Obi must have done for the past 8 years. That is Nigeria for you. So we are telling you today that the earlier you understand these facts, that Nigeria is not for you, Nigeria is not meant to benefit the inhabitants, the citizens, the better for you. So at least, NJ Kanu, the next time you want to address Biafrans in particular, please guide your utterance. As many of you that, call us name, castigated us, call us whatever name that suits you, because we told you that Nigeria election is all about selection. It does not work. Today, you have seen it. But I am not here to apportion blame against you. I am not here to, apportion blame on you. No, you have done what is necessary. You have done what is best for business, right? And today it has come back and the slap in your face. It's not a slap on your face that you came out en mass and vote, and your vote did not count. You were deceived by INEC, Independent Electoral Commission. Independent National Electoral Commission deceived all of you that your beavers will count. What a scam. What a scam. Beavers, bimodal voters accredited system, that when at the moment you vote at the polling unit, the result will be uploaded to the system direct from the polling unit. At the end of the day, they shut the server down, and to tell you that Nigeria INEC is a scam. I am not here to bore you. I am not here to waste your time. I just want to make this short video just to address Lisa NJ Kano. Whenever she is talking to Igbo people, her brothers and sisters from the Igbo region, he wants to show us that he can speak English, that he knows how to speak a slave man language very well. She cannot address Ndibo with Igbo language for Ndibo to understand that she is addressing us who are Igbo people. She wear the what she shouldn't have wear as Igbo woman to address Ndibo speaking English. That is why I'm addressing her using the same English language. Had it been that she addressing Igbo with Igbo language, I would address her with Igbo language. But for the fact she wants to tell the whole world that her brothers are killers, her brothers are kidnappers, her brothers are criminals, I use the same language to address her, for her to understand, for the whole world to understand how useless Lisa NJ Kano can be. I will not address you anymore. I will not talk to you anymore. But I just want to tell you, guide your utterance henceforth. In this period of freedom fighting, in these dire minutes, everybody that come to social media to talk nonsense against Eastern Security Network, your name will be written down somewhere. Because this Eastern Security Network are the people who stood firmly till this moment to make sure that our fathers, our mothers go to farm. You have the tenacity to call them criminals. Thank you, and God bless you.
So, my wonderful family, that's the end of this update. Please do well to like this video, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.